Welcome back to another thrilling match between Brazil versus Honduras. The match has been started. Savinho is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Neymar. This is the chance. Directed but outside of the ball. Well tried by Neymar. Beautiful kick. Danilo. Jolinton. This time. Beautifully dodged by Romel. Lorenzo. Danilo nicely dodged. Savinho again leading the ball. That is the beautiful pass, but Luis was there to clear. Danilo again. Nicely passed to Jolinton. Jolinton is now leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Neymar. Neymar this time again passing to Luis. Directed and goal. The first goal done by Douglas Luis. Beautiful pass by Neymar and Luis did magnificent goal. No mistake. Beautiful passing combination. Luis did magnificent goal. Brazil won. Honduras 14. Brazil is now leading by 1 goal. That is magnificent goal. Just after the 15 minutes. Jolinton again leading the ball. Big chance for Jolinton. Beautiful pass to Luis again. Directed but touched to the player. Nicely picked by the goalkeeper. 22 minutes have been passed. At the start of the game, Brazil start to attack. Again, Jolinton. Nicely clear. What a beautiful combination. The ball is outside of the line. There will be throw. Danilo. Beautiful throw to Savinho. Kevin. Lorenzo. Romel. Not dodge. Savinho again leading the ball. Passing. But Palma was there. Tevez. Luis Palma. Lorenzo, big chance, but beautifully clear by the defenders of Brazil. Savinho, this time again leading the ball. Savinho again, touch to the player. Jolinton, Savinho again, Neymar, hit and goal. What a nice goal done by Neymar just after the 45 minutes. That is the beautiful pass by Savinho. Neymar did it. In the first half, Brazil got the 2 goals. Brazil 2, Honduras 0. Brazil is leading by 2 goals. Carlos, beautiful pass to Neymar. Neymar this time again, but nicely clear. Half of the time has been over. Second half has been started. In the first half, Luis and Neymar did magnificent goal. The ball is outside of the line. Jolinton. Beautiful pass. Pedro leading the ball. Beautiful pass to Luis. This time Luis directed and nicely defended. There will be corner kick. Neymar. Well tried but defended. Hit. Nicely clear. Joseph. Jolinton this time. Again attacking. Douglas Luis. Lopez. Chance. Pedro. Directed. Defended. Again defended. There will be again corner kick. Neymar kicking the ball. Had it. Nicely clear.
The attendance for this match
Romel.
was 80,607.
Lopez, big chance. Alexander Lopez hit and defended by the goalkeeper. Golden chance missed by Lopez. Lorenzo again missed it. Two big chance missed by Honduras after 65 minutes. Palma again leading. Palma directed but outside of the pole. Honduras trying their best but could not exact achieving the goal. They are just missing. Pedro leading the ball, nicely dodged. Daniel. 75 minutes have been passed, only 15 minutes remaining for this game to be completed, and Honduras is still on 0 points. Debbie. Brazil is not giving a single chance to Honduras to attack. They are just trying their best to attack over Honduras. They are using their experiences. Beautiful pass, Neymar. Again chance for Neymar. They are making a strategy. Directed, defended. Nice pass. Flores. The time is over. Brazil 2, Honduras 0. Brazil won this under 17 match.